Hebei Jinbu Construction Materials Tech Corp. Ltd. Solar mounting system manufacturer with a registered capital of 100 million yuan. The company specializes in the research and development, production and sales of solar power systems, energy storage, land storage, solar carport, solar tracking systems, rooftop ground photovoltaic tracking systems and related accessories, as well as contracting the installation and construction of large photovoltaic power plant projects. We are committed to providing solar mounting systems and customized mounting accessories for large ground power plants, industrial and commercial as well as household power plants worldwide, and providing customers with solar power solutions and technical services. Since its establishment, the company has been constantly learning from the advanced technology in the industry, independently developing and producing solar power products with the characteristics of Jinbu, forming a variety of solar power systems suitable for various complex installation environments. With an annual shipment of 5 GW, Jinbu bracket ranks among the top 10 in the solar industry in Hebei Province, China. Jinbu always pays attention to product quality control, from raw materials to processing and manufacturing and product shipment of each link. A strict quality inspection to ensure stable quality, so the production of solar power system products, quality among the forefront of peers, well received by customers at home and abroad. Mission to make the world more low carbon. Vision to be the global leader in the field of photovoltaic. Values the customer first, embrace change, struggle based, and innovation.